Hello guys, nice early morning walk, very early, very cold, winter minus temperatures. I am in the south of England, but it's still damn cold. I just wanted to do an update really, so I know there's a few of you on here who follow me good and proper. So I just want to give you an update. About 3 hours sleep. I thought I'd take a bit of a walk to shake it off before work. I've got some serious plans for this channel, and to be honest, where I'm living currently, I've just run out of ideas. Completely run out of ideas. Now you may say that's me, that's my problem, I'm not being very inventive, but to be honest, I've mentioned before in past videos that the area I'm in is just a selection of little patches of land, yeah? The bits of land that, to be fair, don't hold too much interest. The channel's original vision was for me to close my business down here and head up north, back from where I'm from originally. You can't hear that, I can tell. I've picked up this accent over many years, and I've moved up north on and off for short periods of time, but still it's interesting because the channel was meant to be in regard to wild camping, survival and things like that, and it's just impossible down here. It can't be done. And to any of you big YouTube channels out there that do that, have moved from the north of England or the UK to the south, cannot tell me that it isn't difficult, because it is. I can't just set up camp somewhere here. You're going to be seen, you're going to be caught, and they really won't like it. It certainly can't be done around here, but still, the vision is this. I'm going to head back up north from April the 6th. The channel's going to probably wind down that little bit up until then, get a few videos done, but it may be a little bit thinner than it was. So we're going to head up north. We've got a date, April the 6th, and the whole of that north is going to be Videorama, my friends. So I'm going to do a hell of a lot there. It's going to be a lot of wild camping from the get-go. So from that week, the week after April the 6th, there'll be something there. I'm going to do some wild camping. We're going to we recently started these ghost vids as well, so we're going to do a bit of like urban exploring, involving a bit of ghost stuff as well. You know, I'm not a believer, but my missus is. Well, it's fun all the same. We'll do a load of that, and we're just going to cover the whole of the north of the UK as much as damn possible. Try and get every corner. Yeah, that's really the update. I'm just taking a very cold stroll before work, try and carry myself on 3 hours sleep. Long story, I'm just not having a good time down here anymore in the south, and I'm smack bang in the middle by Bournemouth. It's just, there's nothing here. A little patch of land. I'm about to hit the end of this bit now, and I've been walking 10 minutes. There's just nowhere to do anything. Still, there's no hills, there's no mountains, there's nothing. Come on. I've got to do it. I've got to do it. I want this channel to work. I want to do some big things. I bought a hell of a lot of equipment over my time, and it's just sat there unused, collecting dust. Anyway, less of that boring stuff. I'm just going to enjoy my walk. Just want to say sorry guys, for those of you I know follow me all the time. Thank you very much, but you know, we are going to be there. There's going to be a hell of a lot of stuff. Survival, wild camping, extreme wild camps, urban exploration, some just incredible finds. The list goes on. The list goes on. Oh, come on, wake up. Well, that's it. Thank you very much. Apart from 1 or 2 videos up until then, I want to see you up there, alright? Join me then. Thank you very much. See you soon. Also, I just want to say this as well, you know, I would have said Happy New Year and all that lot, but you know, it's past, it's nearly 2 weeks ago now. You know, I hope you all have a great year, but to be fair, let's be honest here, you know, we can all say this is the year I'm going to do this is the year I'm going to make it, you know, in whatever you're doing. But to be fair, we say that every year. That attitude should be there with you in the now. You know, if you haven't done it by now, you haven't done it yesterday, you ain't going to do it tomorrow. The time to do anything is now. Live in the moment, live for you, live for now, alright? Because you're just setting yourself up for failure, alright? You will have a good year, but you have to think about it now. Do it now, alright? A little bit of middle-aged old man advice there. Yeah, live it, alright? There's no tomorrow here. It can't work that way. Take it all in. That's enough waffling.